So here's a simple star with a snowflake in the center. And it shows you how to print this one way where the star is here and then you print the snowflake next to it. And then I noticed there's another file when you download it here, and it's the star and the snowflake all in one. So I gave both of them a try at the same time, and I'll show you the results of that. So here's how it came off the bed. I printed the star separately and the snowflake, and it's supposed to clip in here, sit in there, and spin, but as you can see, it's a little too small. Now again, this could just be the tip on the end here, where it didn't get a good print. I might have to try to reprint that to fit that. But for the fun of it, it actually printed like this. There was a file, I said, you know what, don't know if it'll work, but I'll print the star with the snowflake already in it. And I thought, oh, well, I guess that's it, and it's solid. But actually, no. It actually spins. So it actually printed all in one piece, and I was very surprised at how that came out on the printer. So if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, join our Facebook. I'll see you next week.